At example 2, we've got this little fact right here. An equation that is true for every value of the variable is called an identity. So let's look at what an identity would actually look at. I'm going to go through and I'm going to solve this equation. First step, I see I have parentheses. I'm going to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 8 times the quantity of 3h plus 6 equals, in brackets, 2h plus h would give me 3h plus 6 times 2. Over here on the left side, 10 minus 8 is 2 times the quantity of 3h plus 6 equals 3h plus 6 all times 2. Now my next step is going to be to distribute on each side, so I got to do 2 times 3h plus 6. 2 times 3h is 6h, plus 2 times 6 is 12. And then on the right side, I have to distribute the 2 to these two things. 2 times 3h is 6h, plus 2 times 6 is 12. And now notice what happened. I have the exact same thing on each side of my equation. If you ever end up with the exact same thing on both sides of your equation, you are going to have something called infinite solutions, which means any number you would plug in for x would work. And just to show you, if I would do like 6 times 3 plus 12 on the left side, and do 6 times 3 plus 12 on the right side, I would get 18 plus 12 on each side, and I would get 30 on each side. So whenever you get a true statement, which means you have the same thing on each side of your equation, that means you have infinite solutions.